In the RRE Master's program, the students are located at 6 different Nordic universities. During their studies, they come together every now and then for compact seminars 4 times a year to study together. So the RRE Master's program gives every student a possibility to visit several Nordic universities and to get to know people from all those places. This is a great benefit. And now, after having graduated, when I've continued doing research, I see the benefit more and more clearly. It is a great advantage to know so many colleagues and professors from other Nordic universities. At the same time, this may be a disadvantage for the students in a way. I did my BA also in Helsinki, which makes the University of Helsinki quite a familiar place to me. At the same time, for students who come from abroad or from another university, they need to be quite active at locating themselves to where they are. And this I'm still studying and working here, and for my part I really want to encourage all the RRE students who study at the University of Helsinki to interact as much as possible with the local scholars and local MA students and local doctoral students. Kind of have to learn you become more aware of your own background to begin with. You also learn to communicate your ideas and to sort of make explicit your own context much better.